If you want to see how we went from this crowded, cluttered, nasty refrigerator needed to be organized to this wonderful, organized, beautiful refrigerator, make sure you stay tuned, leave this video a huge thumbs up, and leave a comment below to let me know how I did. Enjoy the intro.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it. It's a family thing. Here with the Maker gang. It's a family thing. Here with the Maker gang. I know you wanna come and hang. We got Sade, Micah's, Leah, Shy. Y'all really all in my heart. Yeah, it's a family thing. Here with the Maker gang. Gang.
What's up, gang? Today in this video you're going to be seeing me reorganize and declutter and clean our refrigerator. It needs to be done. I got a few organizers from the Dollar Tree, so we're going to get right into this. And you're also going to see me restock our refrigerator, and maybe I'll show you a grocery haul. Who knows? So this is what our refrigerator is looking like right now. The before, things that we have to get cleaned out and organized. Because I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I want to make sure all this stuff is gone before we go grocery shopping. Declutter all of this so it's looking a little bit better. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so as you just seen, I just cleaned the entire refrigerator up and got it all sparkly and clean and, you know, all cleaned out. So now I am going to go back in and just fill it up and organize it the way that I would like it organized. And you're also gonna see before I do my grocery haul how it's gonna be looking empty. I just want my refrigerator clean, so when I do go grocery shopping, I don't have to worry about what I need to throw out and all that other stuff. It'll be already done. So this is like a deep clean, declutter, organization video. So you're gonna see all that in this video, and I wanted to make sure before I do this big grocery haul, I have space for this stuff to go. So I also got to do my pantry, and I'm giving away a bunch of pots and pans and plates and cups and stuff that I no longer use, and I'm going to give that away to Goodwill or Salvation Army, to someone else that's in need of those things, those items. My refrigerator keep beeping. And then also we are renovating our kitchen, so we got some things in store. So if you are enjoying this content, make sure you let us know in the comments so we can comment back to you. I like to chit chat with you guys, and also leave us a huge thumbs up if you do enjoy this content like this, and subscribe so you can see more, and ring that bell so you be notified when we do put more content like this out. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just fill this refrigerator back up with some of the items that you did see me take out, but not all of them. I'm gonna show you my organizers that I got, and yeah, let me show you that now. All right, so I got these clear containers here, organizers. I think I got about 5 of them or whatever. But I'm gonna put them in here. This will be holding like little things for the kids, also like my fruit and stuff. And then I got the non-slip refrigerator things, so I could put one with non-slip liners, so that I could put one up here, down here as well. And I'm going with the gray, white, clear theme. I'm trying to go with that theme throughout my entire house. So yeah, I'm about to speed this up for you guys so that it ain't too boring. But I'm gonna go ahead and just organize these things right here. Oh, it's long, so I can cut this. Perfect. All right, I'm about to cut this, and yeah, let's speed this up. All right, guys, so this is it. This is how it all came out to be organized. Got the egg organizer, got the clear containers that's holding the my sauces. I got my better than bouillon stuff, chopped garlic and things like that. I got my wine and juice out right here. Got my fruits, butter, and then my other jug of water. It's pretty empty because I need to go grocery shopping. I normally put my meats right here that I'm gonna cook. I got the kids juices and then some more waters there, vegetable broth ranch, and then some pear juice over here. And the rest of my sauces I did throw out. Everything else I did throw away. So I got those bit of sauces and stuff. And that's about it, guys. So you will see me do a grocery haul, so make sure that you subscribe so that you are notified when I do post that video of me filling this new refreshed clean refrigerator, filling it up with some yummy delicious food, and it's gonna be nice and neat. Gotta keep the nice neat organization going on. I'll probably move this is I may put one of the clear containers because I got another one back here that I didn't use. I may put that one in here for my cheeses and everything as well. So I may put that there inside of there. So you will see once I do my grocery haul video. I may add a clip of that in this video, but for the most part, it's going to have its own little vlog going on. So, yep, that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. We do love you guys. And I hope that you have a wonderful, blessed day. We out. Gang, gang. Gang is out. Bye, gang. Because you know you don't bang unless you with the Maker gang. If you want to join our gang, subscribe to our channel, leave us a huge thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.
Bye, gang. With the Maker gang. Gang, 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 gang.